Welcome to today's System Upgrade Explainer. Look, if you've been navigating the markets lately, you know exactly how volatile and, honestly, emotionally taxing it can be. So today we're doing something highly structural. We're going to methodically uninstall those emotional, instinct-driven trading habits that just consistently lead to drawdowns, and we're replacing them with cold, objective, precise data logic. Think of it like a firmware update for your trading psychology. All right, sit back, focus, and let's get this new algorithm installed.
Let's start by confronting a dilemma that has frustrated pretty much every investor out there. Why is it that the exact moment you finally pull the trigger and allocate capital, the price immediately plummets? And then, the second you capitulate and liquidate your position, it skyrockets? No way that's just bad luck, right? You might spend hours analyzing charts, drawing up support and resistance lines, only to end up completely trapped. Well, it's because you're falling into psychological traps. These are meticulously engineered by massive institutional funds to exploit human nature. Today, we break that cycle for good.
Here's our system installation menu for this session. We'll kick things off with Section 1, the glitch and core patch. Section 2 is the bottom reversal algorithm. Then Section 3 covers the strong breakout tracking module. Section 4 brings in the high-level escape protocol. And we'll wrap up with Section 5, system execution.
Section 1, the glitch and core patch, locking in the true underlying data.
Before we can execute trades with any real accuracy, we have to identify the glitches in standard trading habits and focus strictly on the data that actually matters. Think about visual illusions versus objective data. Complex K-line patterns, your double bottoms, your head and shoulders formations, these are often deliberate mirages. They're painted by institutional capital specifically to exploit emotional vulnerabilities, literally designed to trigger your greed or your panic. On the flip side, we have objective data, trading volume. See, price action can deceive you, and moving averages can be manipulated, but the sheer volume created by real capital, that is absolute. It is completely untamperable. And that brings us to the absolute core of our new algorithm, the volume price iron law. This is the principle that trading volume is the only truly unmanipulated data point out there. To use a metaphor, trading volume is like a massive crocodile crossing a sandy beach. No matter how well it tries to camouflage its intentions, the moment it moves, the moment heavy institutional money is actually injected into the market, it leaves a massive, unmistakable footprint. Volume is that footprint. It reveals exactly where the big money is stepping.
Now, the absolutely crucial point to understand here is this. The meaning of massive volume is dictated entirely by its location within the trend. This is where amateur traders almost always miscalculate. A giant spike in volume is honest, sure. It confirms large capital is moving. But its true intention, you can only decode that by looking at where that volume appears in the broader market structure. A volume spike at a historical low signifies something entirely different than a volume spike at a historical high. Once you decode this context, all those visual illusions created by institutional funds are just stripped away.
Moving on to Section 2, the bottom reversal algorithm, safely catching the true market bottom. Now, allocating capital at the market bottom is the dream, right? But trying to do so based on gut intuition gives you an incredibly unfavorable risk-to-reward ratio. To execute this algorithm safely, you have to strictly satisfy 3 unforgiving parameters. First, extreme lows after long declines. The asset must have sustained a prolonged structural downtrend. Second, abnormal massive volume. Suddenly, right at these historical lows, there has to be an unprecedented expansion of volume, an abnormally gigantic bar that often blows past historical highs. This is the undeniable footprint proving institutions are just frantically sweeping up discounted shares. And the final, absolutely critical parameter is what we call the survival step. Listen, we never attempt to catch falling knives. You must patiently wait for right-side confirmation. Specifically, the 5-day moving average must turn upwards and decisively cross the 10-day moving average, creating your standard golden cross. Only when all 3 of these conditions, the extreme low, the massive volume, and the golden cross, interlock perfectly does the algorithm validate your entry point. If even a single condition is missing, we stay flat. We do not deploy capital. All right, Section 3, strong breakout tracking, the professional data analyst checklist. Once you've initiated a position, maintaining it requires strict adherence to a professional action checklist. This ensures you ride the established trend without getting shaken out by random volatility. When evaluating a breakout, you're looking for these 4 objective variables. First, a decisive bullish candle breaking right through established resistance. Second, it has to be accompanied by massive volume, or at least a continuous moderate expansion of volume originating from the bottom. Third, the moving averages should be fanning out in a multi-head upward alignment. And fourth, you want to see strong consolidation post-breakout that firmly refuses to fill the gap.
If those 4 data points align perfectly on your chart, the institutional intent to drive the price upward is incredibly resolute. At this juncture, your only responsibility from a purely logical perspective is actually quite simple. Sit tight, align with the trend, and let the profits run. You absolutely must override that psychological impulse to secure early gains. Just let the algorithmic logic play out. Stay disciplined and let the system do the heavy lifting.
Which brings us to Section 4, the High-Level Escape Protocol, recognizing the highest level red alert.
Markets move in cycles, and frankly, recognizing distribution is just as critical as recognizing accumulation. I need you to burn this dynamic into your memory. High volume, stagnant price. If you're holding a position at a relatively high valuation and suddenly the market unleashes massive trading volume, but the price is completely frozen, moving strictly sideways, that is your highest level red alert.
The reality of these stagnant peaks is highly deceptive. Theoretically, massive volume at historical highs should just propel the price straight up, right? But when the price is frozen, forming tight, motionless doji stars, the data is irrefutable. The bullish momentum is totally exhausted. The bulls have run out of bullets. What you're witnessing here is distribution. This massive volume is basically a facade engineered by institutional money. They are deliberately retreating, utilizing the buying enthusiasm of retail investors as liquidity to quietly unload their own positions.
Finally, Section 5, System Execution, Battling Human Nature.
So, we've installed the framework, but flawless execution, that requires immense discipline. Whenever you're in doubt, refer back to your master cheat sheet. For a bottom reversal, your strict action is to wait for the golden cross, no exceptions. For a strong breakout, your action is to track with the trend and let those profits compound. And the very second you detect high-level stagnation, that high volume coupled with a completely stagnant price, your action is immediate liquidation. When that structural alert triggers, there is literally zero room for emotional hesitation. You execute a swift, decisive, calculated liquidation. Trading is, at the end of the day, the ultimate test of human discipline. Comprehending these rules objectively in theory is one thing, but execution in live markets, whole different ballgame. So I leave you with this question. When the opening bell rings tomorrow amid extreme market noise and volatility, can you act with the cold precision of a machine devoid of emotion? Trust the objective data, respect the volume price iron law, and execute your system flawlessly. That's all for this explainer. See you next time.